Very Hotel Key West Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. Planning a trip to Key West and considering the Parry Hotel. This trendy waterfront property promises luxury and convenience, but is it the right fit for your stay? One of the biggest pros is location. Most people get this wrong by thinking Key West hotels are all clustered in the same area. The Parry is strategically located near Stock Island, offering quieter surroundings while still being minutes away from the vibrant Old Town scene. Guests enjoy easy access to restaurants, boating activities, and the famous Key West sunsets. The hotel itself offers modern amenities, including a marina, pool, and spacious rooms with chic designs. The app allows you to book directly, manage your stay, and even request services like spa appointments or room upgrades, streamlining your entire experience. However, there are cons. Some travelers report that certain rooms can be pricey compared to nearby alternatives, and availability can be limited during peak seasons. The location, while peaceful, requires a short drive to the main tourist areas, which may not suit everyone. Also, a few guests have mentioned that while staff is generally friendly, response times through the app can sometimes be slower than expected. In conclusion, the Parry Hotel Key West is an excellent option for travelers who value comfort, modern design, and a quieter waterfront setting. The surprising truth is that while it's luxurious and convenient, planning ahead and understanding the location's distance from main attractions will enhance your stay. For anyone seeking a stylish, relaxing Key West getaway, the Parry Hotel offers comfort and charm at balancing location, cost, and amenities ensures a seamless vacation experience.